Wait, hold on, guys. Wait a minute. Hey guys, Tuxedo Prime 82 here. Today, I'm gonna do a reaction to how to install a toilet. How to install a toilet by How to Basic. My voice cracked up. Sorry. You see, tomorrow I'm going back to school, and I guess this may be the last reaction video until this will be the last reaction video until the weekend. So wait, sorry. This will be the last reaction video until Saturday. So yeah, the new schedule is gonna go like this. I'm going to react to video every Sunday and Friday. Sometimes do some Cringe Masters episodes, by the way. And if you want to know, I did not copy the Cringe Master series by Breezy. Breezy is otherwise known as Cool Dude on YouTube. I did not copy him. This Cringe Masters was inspired from Cringe Champions. I just felt like doing it. I don't know. So anyway, let's get on to this in 3, 2, 1, go. I could immediately tell. Oh, okay, this was from the last video. Something's gonna go wrong. I could just tell. Something's gonna go wrong. Hotel Road. He's gonna break it even more. A toilet, basic toolkit. Okay. I freaking Oh wow, this was short. Okay. That was incredibly short. So thanks for watching and have a great day.